fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
Alright, strawberries are looking good. I still haven't got them mulched in. Blueberries and raspberries are looking good. They're still not mulched in. I gotta fertilize them before I mulch them in, so that's what I'm gonna do next. Alright. We planted strawberries in the bags too. I think we got 6 in each one. Don't tell anybody. I've already ate a couple out of these, but don't tell anybody. Cause don't nobody know but me and y'all. Don't tell Mom, don't tell Harley. Alright, lifers, we got some new guests on the homestead. Now I'm sure some of y'all know what them are called, but I don't. Mama calls them pom-pom girls. I get to why I bought some more chickens here in just a second. Okay, I know a lot of y'all seen on the short. Wow, hold the camera better. I lost 2 hens and altogether 4 guineas. The final night, we figured out what was doing it, and he didn't get to leave here. Old red fox got trapped in there. He killed one of the first of the flock, the red hens. I've only got 2 left now. Started out with 6. He killed one of the newer red hens and 2 guineas that day. The night before he had killed 2 guineas, or not the night before that he had killed 2 guineas. Let me reenact what I came out here to that morning, barefooted and 30 degrees. I'm not really sure what's going on. I look out here with my flashlight and I see canine eyes and they look like they're in the pen. So I busted on out here and I go in the pen with him, and I can't get him held still to kill him with the hoe. My brother comes out and helps me get it held still, and we hammer our hoe it to death. But he ain't eating no more chickens, and I know that's brutal and all that, but he cost me quite a bit of money. If you consider them guineas are about $25 a piece grown, you know, it done cost me a good bit of money. And a good bit of enjoyment, because y'all know I love them guineas. As y'all can see, the quail are doing quail things. They really picked up their egg production. Need to try to get a few more. I'd like it about 30 to butcher for a barbecue. So, probably gonna work on that pretty quick. Okay, that's pretty much all that's new. I can't hold this camera left-handed. Alright, that's pretty much all that's new for the farm. Maybe one more thing I need to show y'all. Oh yeah, I forgot, I hadn't told y'all. Potatoes got burnt by the freeze. But everybody's telling me to wait a couple of days and see. I'm gonna give them a couple more days, then I'm gonna replant. But we had 2 nights where it got down. One night it was 24 and one night it was 26, and they couldn't stand it. So they're all black and ugly. But a bunch of people are telling me they'll regenerate. I don't know. I'm not a farmer. I just play one on YouTube. Be back here in just a second. Like, share, subscribe. If you enjoy this content, let me know, and we're gone. Alright, lifers, I come out here after lunch. UPS had delivered. I bought 8 at the auction the other day. 8 chickens. Come out here and there's 2 geese, duck, whatever, and like 6 more chickens. I know y'all all heard about the accident, but let me know when you're gonna drop stuff off like that. Alright, lifers, I'm still trying to learn how to use this new camera. I hope y'all enjoy it. Like, share, subscribe if you do. Yeah, we got a bunch more birds. Like we needed them. Oh yeah, I got eight eggs. Chicken or duck eggs in Buckner's incubator. About the 20th of April, I guess, somewhere in there, 15th, 20th of April, we already know if they work. I'm not sure if that Peking isn't just too fat to breed that other duck, so they may not be fertile. We'll know. Few days. He's got quail going anyway, so he didn't care. Alright, like I say, like, share, subscribe, and we're going.